Type A does not like to break the rules and only care about social standards. Sometimes they can be overly sensitive. They like to take the time and make sure and plan out things accordingly. They are super neat and tidy, so people who have OCD are most likely type A's. Studies from the 2015 Cancer Epidemiology says that people with type A are more likely to develop stomach cancer. Mosquitoes won't really come out and attack you compared to the other blood types. These people are earnest, creative, sensible, and responsible. However, they can be stubborn and tense. They are also way too eager and way too finicky. Type A's are excellent listeners. They are calm on the outside but can suffer from anxiety from the inside. They mostly bottle up their emotions, so it's very important for them to take time to be alone and rest. They are perfectionists, but can be slow to trust people. With marriage, type A is best matched with type O and A, but not with type B. With the other type A's, they have very similar personalities, but they can create irritation because they are both way too goddamn tense. Even though type O is very different from type A, they cover each other's weaknesses. The differences, however, can make them stress out a little bit. With type B, it's just not gonna work out. Type B likes to do their own thing at their own time, and type A is very particular about certain things. It's just not gonna work. With type AB, it's a mixture of both A and B, so it depends. They can build a strong relationship, but there is a chance where it might just flop. So I didn't know shit about blood types until I was looking up a few articles on how Japanese people find blood types to be very important when it comes to dating. So it made me wonder, like, what are these personality blood types? And is it true? Like, do you know any friends or family members or partners that fall into those categories? Like, let us know. Like, I'm super curious to know what, like, I want to know facts.